Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this velvet chair. This is a really nice little desk chair. Swivels all around. It's got nice rotating wheels. You've got your golden base, and this is so soft. It's all tufted around the back. Got a nice little area you can sit in. Excited to swivel all around 360 degrees. And this is 25 by 16.8 by 37. So you just fit right in here. You've got a nice little area right off to the side. And this actually allows you to move up and down. Just go up and down. And then you can also take this little handle and control if you want to lean back from 90 to 120 degrees. You can actually rock back and forth. If you wanted to adjust that, they do have a little area underneath here that you can change the elasticity of how hard that is to move back and forth. You can also just lock it in one position. If you didn't want to have it locked back and forth, you can just move that in to where it won't rock back on you. This is a nice little office chair. It's got about 17.3 inches in between here. And then your armrests and everything are all nice and smooth all the way across the back. But it does have the design all the way around here that just adds a little sophistication to it. It's a nice little office chair that can be used, tucked right in. Looks really nice, feels good.